Give your furniture a new life. The joy of upcycling. Upcycling is like magic. It's the art of taking something old and worn out and transforming it into something new and beautiful. Imagine turning a tired, outdated piece of furniture into a stunning, one-of-a-kind creation that reflects your personal style. You can turn old furniture into something beautiful and new. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can breathe new life into items that might otherwise end up in a landfill. It's good for the environment because you're giving something a second life. By upcycling, you're reducing waste and minimizing the need for new resources. It's a small but impactful way to contribute to a more sustainable world. Instead of throwing furniture away, you're saving it. Each piece you upcycle is one less item in the trash and one more unique addition to your home. Plus, it's a fun way to be creative and make your home unique. You can experiment with colors, textures, and designs to create something truly special. Upcycling is also very satisfying. There's a deep sense of fulfillment that comes from transforming an old, neglected item into a beautiful, functional piece. When you finish a project, you can say, "I made this." It's a wonderful feeling to see the fruits of your labor and creativity. It's a wonderful feeling to transform something with your own hands. The process of upcycling allows you to develop new skills and hone existing ones. There's a real sense of accomplishment. Each project completed is a testament to your hard work and creativity. And you can save money by giving old furniture a makeover instead of buying new. Upcycling is not only good for the planet but also for your wallet. It's a win-win situation. Treasure hunting. Finding the perfect pieces for upcycling. The thrill of the hunt is part of the joy of upcycling. Each piece you find has a story, a history, and a potential for a new life. Look for furniture with good bones. This means it should be sturdy and well-made even if it looks a bit worn. The structure is what matters most. This means it should be sturdy and well-made, even if it looks a bit worn. A solid frame can be the foundation for a beautiful transformation. Don't worry too much about scratches or faded paint. These can be fixed. Surface imperfections are often easy to repair with a bit of sanding and a fresh coat of paint. Check for solid wood furniture. It's easier to work with than pieces made from particle board. Solid wood can be sanded, stained, and painted to your liking. Visit thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces. These places are treasure troves for unique and affordable pieces. You can find hidden treasures at great prices. Bargain hunting can be both fun and rewarding. Don't be afraid to look past imperfections. Often the most worn-out pieces have the most character and potential. A little imagination can go a long way in seeing the potential in a piece. Sketch out your ideas and envision the transformation. Sometimes the most unassuming pieces can become the most stunning transformations. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn any piece into a masterpiece. Your upcycling toolkit: essential tools and materials. You don't need lots of fancy tools to start upcycling. Some essentials include sandpaper, different grits for smoothing and finishing, paintbrushes, various sizes, screwdrivers, a hammer, and a measuring tape. These basic tools will help you tackle most beginner projects. Gather your materials. Paint, primer, varnish, and fabric are great for adding color and personality. Don't forget drop cloths, gloves, and masks to protect yourself and your workspace. You can gradually expand your toolkit as you gain more experience. Section 4. Transforming furniture. Simple techniques to get you started. In this section, we'll guide you through some easy and effective methods to breathe new life into your old furniture pieces. Start by cleaning your furniture thoroughly. This is a crucial first step to ensure that any dirt or grime doesn't interfere with the next stages. Use soapy water and a sponge to remove dirt and grime. Make sure to get into all the nooks and crannies where dust can accumulate. Let it dry completely before moving on. This might take a few hours, so be patient. Proper drying is essential to avoid any moisture issues later. Sanding is important for creating a smooth surface for painting. Use medium grit sandpaper first to remove any rough spots or old finish. Then switch to fine grit sandpaper for a polished finish. This will help the paint adhere better and give a more professional look. Painting is a simple way to transform furniture. Choose a color that complements your decor and apply it evenly. Use primer for better paint adhesion. Primer helps to seal the wood and provides a good base for the paint. Apply thin, even coats of paint. This prevents drips and ensures a smooth finish. Multiple thin coats are better than one thick coat. Let each coat dry completely before applying the next. This step is crucial for achieving a durable and long-lasting finish. For a distressed look, use sandpaper to create a worn effect after the paint dries. This technique adds character and a vintage feel to your furniture. Section 5. Unleash your creativity design ideas for personalized projects. Think about colors and patterns you love. Use paint, fabric, or wallpaper to create unique designs. Try stencils for adding patterns or lettering. Distressing furniture with sandpaper creates a vintage look. Consider the style of your home. Upcycled furniture can complement any decor, from modern to traditional. Add new hardware like knobs or handles for a finishing touch. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through. Section 6. First-time upcyclers. Easy projects to begin your journey. A simple wooden stool or a small side table are great starter projects. They don't require too much work and can be completed quickly. An old picture frame can be easily transformed with paint and new artwork. Give a tired-looking tray a makeover with paint and decorative paper. These small victories will boost your confidence and inspire you to tackle bigger projects. Remember, every upcycling project is a learning experience. Section 7. Upcycling. Good for the planet, good for the soul. Upcycling is a wonderful way to give furniture a new lease on life. It's a sustainable practice that reduces waste and helps the environment. Creating something beautiful with your own hands is incredibly rewarding. Upcycling allows you to express your creativity and personalize your home. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at what you can create. Upcycling is a journey of discovery. Embrace the process, experiment with different techniques, and most importantly, have fun. In this chapter, we'll explore advanced upcycling techniques that can transform even the most worn-out furniture into stunning pieces. We'll cover techniques like decoupage, stenciling, and distressing to give your projects a unique and personalized touch. Stay tuned for some creative inspiration and practical tips to take your upcycling skills to the next level. Let's start with decoupage. This technique involves decorating furniture with paper cutouts and special glue. It's a fantastic way to add intricate details and patterns to your projects. You can use anything from old maps to floral prints to create a one-of-a-kind piece. Next, we'll dive into stenciling. This method allows you to add precise and consistent designs to your furniture. With stencils, you can easily apply patterns, shapes, and even quotes, making your upcycled pieces truly unique. Lastly, we'll cover distressing. This technique gives furniture a vintage, shabby chic look. By sanding and painting in layers, you can create the illusion of age and wear, adding character and charm to your projects. Remember, the key to mastering these techniques is practice and experimentation. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They often lead to the most creative discoveries. Upcycling is not just about the end result. It's about enjoying the journey and expressing your creativity. So gather your materials and let's get started on transforming your old furniture into stunning, personalized pieces.